The Bundle of Sticks. In a cozy cottage at the edge of a wood lived 3 brothers. Though they were family, they bickered and quarreled from sunrise to sunset. Their arguments were a constant clamor in the otherwise quiet home. Their elderly father watched them from his chair by the fire, his heart heavy with worry. He knew he would not be with them forever, and their constant fighting troubled him deeply. One evening the father called his sons to his side. His voice was quiet but firm. "My sons," he said, "I have a task for you. Go outside, and each of you bring me a sturdy stick from the woodpile." The brothers, curious about their father's strange request, did as he asked. They returned moments later, each holding a long, dry stick. They stood before their father, waiting to see what he would do next. The father looked at his eldest son. "Take your stick and break it," he said. The eldest, proud of his strength, took the stick in his hands and snapped it easily over his knee with a loud crack. "Now you," the father instructed the other 2. The middle brother broke his stick with a smirk, and the youngest also broke his without any trouble. "See, father," they said, "it is easy." The father nodded slowly. "Now," he said, holding out a cord, "I want you to take many sticks and bind them together tightly." The sons worked together and tied the sticks into a thick, strong bundle. "Now," said the father, "I want each of you to try and break the bundle." The eldest went first. He grunted and strained, his face turning red, but the bundle would not even bend. The other 2 brothers tried next, using all their might. They pushed and pulled, but the bundle of sticks was too strong. Defeated, they handed it back to their father. "We cannot do it," they admitted. The old father smiled. "My sons," he said gently, "do you see the lesson? When you are separate, like single sticks, you are easily broken. But when you stand together in unity, you are strong and unbreakable. In unity, there is strength.